So hey guys, Yash here from Indian Fitness Girl back with another video. As you guys can see, आज के वीडियो में हमारे पास एक स्पेशल अपीयरेंस है, our little Alexa. So if you guys new to this channel, तो जाके सबसे पहले जाके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and don't forget to press that bell icon. So guys, अब बात कर लेते हैं आज के वर्कआउट की. तो कल मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सारे डीएम चेक कर रहा था एंड आई रियलाइज कि ज़्यादातर लोगों ने मेरे को ये बोला है कि आई शुड बी मेकिंग मोर फॉलो अलॉन्ग वीडियोस. सो इफ़ यू डोंट नो व्हाट फॉलो अलॉन्ग वीडियोस आर, तो आई पुल अप अ लिंक समवेयर ओवर हियर. सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड वॉच इट एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स कि आपको फॉलो अलॉन्ग वीडियोस कैसे लगते हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग फर्दर टाइम शुरू करते हैं आज का फॉलो अलॉन्ग वीडियो. तो इस वर्कआउट में हम लगाने वाले हैं 4 बॉडी वेट एक्सरसाइजेस. सो हमारी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 है जंपिंग जैक्स. आपको लगाने हैं 20 रिपीटिशंस. सो स्टार्ट डूइंग योर 20 जंपिंग जैक्स अलोंग विथ मी. सो इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर यू कैन डू इट एट अ स्लो पेस एंड इफ़ यू आर कंफर्टेबल गो विद द हाई इंटेंसिटी. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव आवर बॉडी वेट स्क्वाट्स. यू हैव टू परफॉर्म 15 बॉडी वेट स्क्वाट्स विद प्रॉपर फॉर्म. सो प्रॉपर फॉर्म के लिए मेक श्योर आपकी जो नीज है वो टो के बाहर नहीं जाएगी और जो आपकी बैक है वो कम्प्लीटली स्ट्रेट रहेगी. तो आपको परफॉर्म करनी है 15 रेपिटेशंस ऑफ बॉडी वेट स्क्वाट. 3, 2, 1. So next up we have our modified push-ups. So place your knees on the floor and your hands in line with your shoulder. And we'll start doing push-ups for 10 repetitions. Make sure you do it at your own pace. If you're a beginner, do it slowly. And if you're an intermediate or an advanced, you can do your regular push-ups as well. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Next up we have our lateral lunges. So lateral lunges लगाने के लिए stand tall, place your hands on your waist and move towards your right and towards your left. And repeat it for 10 repetitions. So we're gonna do it for 10 repetitions. Do it along with me. Make sure your form is completely correct. Make sure your knees are under your toes and back is completely straight. So here we're gonna take a small break and after that we'll be starting our circuit number 2. So start doing your 20 jumping jacks. So this is our circuit number 2. We are doing the same exercises again. So if you are a beginner, you can do your jumping jacks at a low intensity. If you are an intermediate, go with the flow. Let's move to our exercise number 2, which is our body weight squats. So here we're gonna do 15 body weight squats. Make sure your form is completely correct. So आपकी जो knees रहेगी वो toes के अंदर रहेगी और आपकी जो back रहेगी वो completely straight रहेगी. Don't bend forward, don't bend back and do your squats perfectly. Very good. Time for modified push-ups. So come onto the floor, hands in line with your shoulders, knees on floor and start doing your push-ups. So we're gonna do 10 push-ups, 10 modified push-ups here. Keep going for 10 repetitions. Do it at your own pace. And once you're done with your modified push-ups, it's time for lateral lunges. So stand tall and move towards your right and then towards your left. Then towards your right and then towards your left. Repeat that motion and make sure you keep that intensity going while performing these exercises. 3, 2, and 1. This was our circuit number 2. Time for circuit number 3. Start doing your jumping jacks for 20 repetitions. Open up your legs when you jump and put them back. Again, if you're a beginner, You can do it at a low intensity. Next up, we have our bodyweight squats. So be ready, and we'll be starting our squats in 3, 2, and 1. Start doing your bodyweight squats for 15 repetitions. Do it with a perfect form. Knees under your toes and back completely straight. Push your hips back when you come down. Do it at a pace that you're comfortable with. And once you're done with your 15 bodyweight squats, it's time for modified push-ups. So come in a push-up position, put your knees on the floor and your hands in line with your shoulders. So we're gonna do 10 push-ups here. If you're a beginner, you can do it slow. If you're an intermediate, you can also do your regular push-ups. And then we're done with our regular push-ups, modified push-ups. It's time for lateral lunges. Move towards your left and then towards your right. Keep going for 10 repetitions. We're almost done. Keep the intensity going. And that was it for today. So hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो देख के मज़ा आया होगा. अगर सच में ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो सबसे पहले जाके लाइक कर दो, because it motivates me to make more such content. If you have any questions, suggestions or queries, so let me know in the comments section. I'll get back to you. We would love to stay connected to you, so you can follow us on Instagram for more such content. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, so सबसे पहले जाइए, subscribe दबाइए and don't forget to press that bell icon.